Instead of me fulfilling my prophecy, I have to start one. Instead of me, doing a good job and carrying on the empire, I have to build one. And that's a hell of a job for a 21-year-old. You know what I'm saying? That's a hell of a job for any youngster, male or female, to have to build an empire for your family.
Damn, Menace got beats.
6. Most of my life I'ma ride on this bitch. Liquid propane, I set fire to this bitch. You niggas snitching off wearing wires and shit. I'ma run up on me, I put 5 in this bitch. I'ma catch you niggas slipping while you flying your whip. I'ma rock a buy in this bitch. So I heat niggas up, pop pies in this bitch. I'ma never caught slipping, I ride on this bitch. I'ma just be real. A lot of niggas phony, man, they don't know how to be real. They smile up in your face, behind your back, they talking ill. I never trust a nigga, man, I never think I will. I'm holding on to steel, do no talking, shoot the cuffs, or I can spark them up. If he drive by the hood, guarantee we park him up. We can do this hand in hand, but really I don't play fair. My niggas throwing bullets that I'm telling them to take care. These niggas claiming that they hard, but they ain't there. A real goon like me, really, man, this shit's rare. I can see you niggas fake with my eyes closed. Guaranteed I can put you out blind. Now my game's on, hands on, and I'm ready. And I told you niggas, I can get you like I'm Freddy. Y'all niggas see, I'm a real nigga, know it's true. Fuck with me, I done told you niggas what it do. I been here on my grind. I told them niggas I ain't doing nothing. Money is my time, y'all niggas wanna play with it. I told niggas how I do it. Put niggas in the pot, finish the latest shit. Y'all niggas ain't on the game though. I told these niggas how I do it. Out the pot, hot a flame, bro. I'm getting off at you niggas. Told them niggas how I do it. Spit a part on you niggas, The game is nothing for a nigga just to run out. I told these niggas how I do it. I ain't run out. I'm on the block trying to get my grind. I told them time is everything, cause money on my mind and I'm always on the grind. I'ma have to flip, guaranteed. I told these niggas how I handle that shit. Go and get it, nigga. Time is money, no wasting, nigga. I told you niggas who facing, nigga. 6.
Knew I had a daughter, so I went harder. Never had a father, so I got smarter. I hit the block at the age of 15. Dime bags in my pockets, I was slinging straight green. I had to get up, wake up, get my cake up, make up for all the lost time. Not being there for mines, always on the grind. But God knows I'm trying through the sin and the line. The sun will always shine. If it rains, then it's fine. Now I'm a new man, don't trust none of your fam. Some of them are scams. At the money like the fans, watch out for your man. It's cause they bite hands, and that's against the code. But these niggas, they bold. It's kinda out of control. Wish I had a remote to break you out that mold. You gonna fold, sorta like them codes to the stitch. You snitch, you glitch, you bitch and trick, but that's for them kids. Stop telling your biz, hold it in like the fizz. Don't have any friends, they'll break you by the limbs. Let's hope you don't bend or cringe, just stay to yourself. Worry about your health, worry about your wealth. Even if you a chef, baking soda is right on the top shelf. From the kitchen to a desk, I didn't make a mess. Had the OGs impressed with the way I wear my wrist. I did kiss and diss, can't trust none of these hoes. Get you caught up, whoa, scheming on the low with one of your bros. Even when she gone, leave shorty alone. She is doing you wrong, not answering the phone. Now you feel alone, all up in the darkness. The moth to your Loch Ness has moved down the line and left you behind. Head up, no crime.